Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I'm working with Ana Luisa. They sent me over a few pieces to show you guys. But before we get into that, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. So first, let's talk about Ana Luisa real quick. They are based out of New York City. They have beautiful, unique pieces for an affordable price. They also have solid gold pieces you can choose from as well. They have so many different styles. They have some small dainty pieces. They've got some chunkier pieces if you want to go the gaudy route. But they have so many different pieces for you to choose from. So I will leave all their information in the description box below. So don't forget to click on that. I will also have a discount code for you guys in there as well. So make sure you guys check that out, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. Packaging always super cute. We've got our pieces here. Aren't these boxes so freaking adorable? I freaking love them. All right, let's get into this one. Okay, so the first piece is called Darcy, and it is this gorgeous gold ring. It has some little stones on there that go about halfway across. As you can see, absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I think I got this one in a size 5. Hopefully it fits my pinky ring. All right, so here is the, oh my gosh, is this not stunning? Absolutely gorgeous. This is what it looks like on the inside, really thin, like I like it. This is so freaking cute. I've been wanting a ring for my pinky. Oh my, this is just so freaking cute. I adore this. If you get really close on here, you can see that there's like some little tiny studs, and then there's some like rectangular or like an emerald cut, and then it goes back to the circle cuts and then emerald cuts. It's really, really stunning. This piece is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so moving on to the next piece. All right, so the next piece is called Camden. And Camden is a 3-piece set. So let me take it out of these packages. So this is a 3-piece set. The first one has little stones going across it. They're pretty spaced out. Really pretty. The second one is just it's a plain gold band, which I love. I also got these are in a size 5 as well. And then the last one is another band, but this one has stones going all the way around. Stunning. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. Wow, that really is pretty. It looks so pretty on your fingers. And you could wear them all together, or you can wear them one at a time. Either way, I love them. Look at these shell stoppers. Oh my gosh. And so these do have a guaranteed 2-year warranty on them. All my jewelry that I'm wearing is from Ana Luisa. This initial necklace, this flat one, my earrings, this stud. I have some more. I actually gave my daughter like a couple bracelets. I got some more rings over there. But yes, Everything that I've been wearing every single day without taking them off while showering, and they have not tarnished at all. I think this flat one I've had for almost like 9-10 months maybe. This initial one is fairly new, maybe like a month or two ago. The flat one I think I got at the same time as these earrings. So anyway, they've been lasting for a very long time. They're absolutely stunning. I love them. Love, love, love. Oh my gosh, they're so freaking pretty. Look at, why my pinkies curved like that so much? But these look so beautiful. So freaking beautiful. So yes, those are the two pieces that I have for you guys. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh, are you guys wearing pinky rings? If you guys aren't wearing pinky rings, I think you guys should. I think they're so freaking cute on your little baby finger. Oh my gosh, love them. And this little stack is it's a little gaudy. It is definitely like a little statement, but it is just so cute at the same time. It kind of just looks like one solid ring too. But oh my gosh, I love them both. I love them both. But yes, make sure you guys check out Ana Luisa. I will have the direct links. I'll have my discount code. Make sure you guys check them out. These are perfect. Look how pretty that looks. These are perfect for Valentine's Day. This is a perfect Valentine's Day gift or a birthday gift for anyone. They do have men's pieces as well. They're just so stunning. Like, look at this. They look so freaking cute. Anyway, yeah, so make sure you guys check them out. Thank you again, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video and sending over these gorgeous pieces to me. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.